Hi guys, in front of me is CMF Phone 2 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select customization and mark more wallpapers. Now just choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from your photos. Here you got the current wallpaper. You can enroll Wallpaper Studio, go to Nothing Phone options, color wallpapers, and so on. Let me enroll Nothing Phone and wallpapers and pick one from them. Let's apply, for example, this one. Here you can pinch the group if you want, then tap on confirmation mark, decide if it's for both home and lock screen, and once selected, just mark done. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. From now on, it is applied on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.